So I upgraded my GPU, and as you can see by these frame rates, it's a beautiful, beautiful improvement. Look at that on the right hand side, it's as smooth as butter, even considering that giant, massive scene that it's handling. So this is going to be great for version 10, which is still just getting started. But wow, only $150 on eBay. This is one of the best purchases I've ever made. So this opens the door for larger and larger arcs, and especially doing the areas surrounding the arcs. My next bottleneck might be my CPU or my 64 gigabytes of RAM. So this just gives you an idea of how fast your computer will be able to run this scene, and how important upgrading your GPU is if you haven't recently. I just want to take a moment to appreciate just how fascinating Silicon Valley is and how fascinating silicon manufacturers are, and all just such a wonderful technology that really brightens and improves everyone's world and lets us dream up these brand new realities. And now realities with a far higher polygon counts than I could ever imagine. Potentially we're talking about scenes with 200 million polygons, because this is 80 million right now, so I could probably push 200 million possibly. Anyway, that's it for this one, and remember, a single dream is more powerful than 1,000 realities.